Student, good morning. As you know that today we are going to study simple, compound and complex sentence. This is third lecture of this chapter, and in previous videos we have deeply explained, deeply discussed, deeply studied about simple, compound and complex sentence. Also we have discussed about what is independent clause and what is dependent clause, because simple, compound and complex sentence depend on independent and dependent clause. So simple also finished, compound also finished. Today we are going to study complex sentence. A complex sentence that had a dependent and an independent clause. Let's see one example. I know the girl who plays guitar in school. In this sentence there are two clauses. I know the girl, this clause, and who plays guitar in school, and this is also a clause. There are two clauses in one sentence. एक sentence के अंदर दो clause हैं. In previous videos we have deeply discussed in simple sentence. What is simple sentence? In which only one clause and full meaning, independent clause. And compound sentence in which there are two clause also, but both are independent clause. Compound sentence में क्या होता है, दो clause होते हैं और दोनों independent clause होते हैं. But today we are going to study complex sentence in which there are also two clause, but one independent and one dependent clause. इसमें भी दो clause होते हैं, लेकिन एक independent होगा, एक dependent होगा. Let's see how. I know the girl. मैं उस लड़की को जानता हूँ who plays guitar, जो गिटार बजाती है. ये कंप्लीट नहीं है. Dependent, independent. अगर हम इसको ऐसे पढ़ते हैं, who plays guitar, गिटार स्कूल में कौन बजाता है, ये क्लियर नहीं हो पा रहा कौन बजा रहा है, यानी ये this sentence is not completed. So this clause is also a dependent clause. But I know the girl, मैं उस लड़की को जानता हूं, ये complete है. Who plays guitar in school. Next, synonyms are words that have similar meaning. यानी पर्यायवाची वो शब्द होते हैं जिसके जो मीनिंग अर्थ होते हैं वो समानार्थी होते हैं. Synonyms are the words that have similar meaning एक क्लॉज ये, एक क्लॉज ये। सिनोनिम ऑफ द वर्ड दैट हैव सिमिलर मीनिंग, जिसके समान अर्थ होते हैं। किसके समान अर्थ होते हैं? सिनोनिम्स के, यानी ये डिपेंडेंट and this independent. In previous video we have also discussed about what is the independent and dependent clause and what is difference between a sentence and clause. एक सेंटेंस के अंदर कई क्लॉज हो सकते हैं, लेकिन एक क्लॉज के अंदर एक ही सेंटेंस होगा। जैसे ये हम लोग देख रहे हैं सिनोनिम्स आर द वर्ड्स दैट हैव सिमिलर मीनिंग। ये सिनोनिम से लेके मीनिंग तक ये एक क्लॉज, एक सेंटेंस है, और इस सेंटेंस के अंदर क्या है? दो क्लॉज है। पहला क्या है? सिनोनिम्स आर वर्ड्स, एक क्लॉज ये हो गया, दैट हैव सिमिलर मीनिंग, एक क्लॉज ये हो गया। इट्स मीन इन वन सेंटेंस देयर आर टू क्लॉज, इन वन सेंटेंस देयर मे बी मोर देन टू क्लॉज। एक सेंटेंस के अंदर कई क्लॉज हो सकते हैं। आई होप दैट यू क्लियर अबाउट कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस। कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस इज सेंटेंस इन विच देयर आर टू क्लॉज, फर्स्ट इंडिपेंडेंट एंड सेकेंड डिपेंडेंट। दो क्लॉज होते हैं, एक इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज होता है, दूसरा डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज होता है। Sometimes complex sentence also connected with coordinating. In previous videos we have discussed about compound sentence connected with coordinating conjunction, in which we give example with fan was, and complex sentence also connected with subordinating conjunction. Sometimes complex sentence also connected with subordinating conjunction, when, because, if, until, even though, lots of type words that connected complex sentence. Let's see one example. You cannot go out and play until you have finished your homework. One independent and one dependent. There are two clauses and also connected with until. Sometimes complex sentence also connected with subordinating conjunction. Let's see one. Let me know if you help me. अगर आप कोई मदद मिले मुझसे बताइएगा. One class this, one class this, one independent and second dependent. because subordinating conjunction I got more interesting people. मैं सफर को इसलिए पसंद करता हूँ कि सफर में बहुत से इंटरेस्टिंग पीपल से मुलाकात होती है. One, I love to travel. One independent, I got more interesting people. One dependent. Even though exam was quite difficult, all the students passed. Even though subordinating conjunction, जबकि एग्जाम बहुत मुश्किल था, फिर भी सभी बच्चे पास हो गए. Even though exam was quite difficult, all the students passed. Independent, one independent and second dependent. And fifth example of coordinating with subordinated conjunction. When I got home from work yesterday, जब मैं घर कल काम से गया, I watched TV. When connected, one independent class and one dependent class both made one complex sentence. I hope that you clear about simple, compound and complex sentence. There is no doubt about this. If you have any confusion, you can see my previous videos. What is different between independent and dependent class? Also simple and compound sentence. Have to see my videos.